Are you over 60 or 70 and struggling to keep your strength? Do your arms and legs feel weaker than before, even though you eat well? I believe you may have asked yourself why it's so hard to build muscle and strength now than it was when you were either 20 or 30. Here's the shocking truth. After 50, your body changes not just in look, but how it responds to food, exercises, and loses muscle faster than it can build it. This is called sarcopenia, and it's the main reason seniors feel weak, lose balance, and risk falls. But here's the good news, you can fight it naturally. And no, it's not by eating more eggs. There's a plant based protein that works even better for seniors than eggs. And today, I will show you what it is and how to use it. I would like to hear from you if you can guess what this protein is in the comments. Take a few seconds to like this video, subscribe to Green Health channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you can be notified whenever there is a new video upload on the channel. After 50, your body starts losing 3 to 8% of muscle mass every decade. This muscle loss speeds up after 70, leading to weak legs, poor balance, and higher risk of falls and fractures. Doctors call this condition sarcopenia. It's silent but dangerous because once you lose too much muscle, daily activities like walking, climbing stairs, or even standing up becomes hard. The main reason, your body becomes less sensitive to protein, so the same amount you ate at 30 won't work now. You need the right kind of protein and the right timing. Eggs are known as a complete protein, and yes, they are great, but they are not the best for seniors. Why? Eggs lack certain amino acids in high amounts that aging muscles need, especially leucine, which is critical for muscle repair and growth. Also, many seniors can eat too many eggs because of cholesterol concerns, digestive issues, or simply getting bored of the taste. So, what's better than eggs for muscle growth after 70? When we talk about building muscle after 70, most people think of eggs. But what if I told you there is a humble food that gives you just as much protein, zero cholesterol, and added health benefits? Eggs can't match. That food is black beans, the secret weapon for seniors who want strength, energy, and longevity. Protein powerhouse. 1 cup of cooked black beans gives you 15 grams of protein compared to about 6 grams in an egg, and it's plant-based, making it heart-friendly and easy to digest. Packed with muscle-building amino acids. Black beans provide essential amino acids like lysine and leucine, which stimulates muscle growth and repair, especially after light workouts. This mineral is critical for muscle contraction and nerve function. Black beans deliver it naturally, something most seniors are deficient in. Fiber for blood sugar control. Unlike eggs, black beans come with 15 grams of fiber, which stabilizes blood sugar, reduces insulin spikes, and prevents fast storage. Heart and artery health. Black beans have zero cholesterol and plenty of potassium, which helps keep your blood pressure and arteries healthy. They are budget friendly, widely available, and perfect for seniors who want nutrition without breaking the bank. Black beans are versatile and can be prepared in many delicious ways that seniors love. Here are a few simple ideas. Black bean soup. A warm hearty bowl of black bean soup with onions, garlic, and olive oil is not only protein rich but also easy to digest. Black bean salad. Mix cooked black beans with diced tomatoes, avocado, corn, and a squeeze of lime for a refreshing nutrient-packed salad. Add to omelette or scrambles. If you still eat eggs, add black beans for extra protein and fiber. Stuffed veggies. Fill bell peppers or zucchini with black beans and brown rice for a wholesome, muscle friendly meal. Smoothies. Yes, really. Blend black beans into chocolate smoothies with cocoa powder, banana, and almond milk. It's creamy and rich in protein. For easier digestion, soak beans overnight and cook them thoroughly to reduce bloating and unlock maximum nutrients. Black beans aren't just about muscle, they offer whole body benefits. Heart protection. With zero cholesterol and high fiber, black beans lower LDL cholesterol, reducing heart disease risk. Brain health. Black beans are rich in B vitamins and antioxidants, which support memory and fight cognitive decline. Digestive support. The fiber in black beans promotes a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for immunity and nutrient absorption. Joint protection. Black beans contain magnesium and iron, helping reduce inflammation and keep your joints strong. Energy boost. Their complex carbs release energy slowly so you stay active throughout the day without fatigue. To truly build muscle and stay strong after 70, don't just eat black beans, pair them with the right habits. Light resistance training. Simple resistance band exercises or light weights will help convert that protein into lean muscle. Eat protein at every meal. Spread your intake. Add black beans to lunch or dinner instead of having all protein at once. Stay hydrated. Beans need water for digestion and muscle hydration. Aim for 8 glasses daily. Get enough sleep. Your muscles repair and grow while you sleep. So 7 to 8 hours of rest is essential. Combine vitamin C foods. Pair black beans with tomatoes, bell peppers, or citrus fruits to boost iron absorption, which supports oxygen flow to muscles. You don't have to accept weakness as part of aging. You can stay strong, independent, and active. Starting today, add black beans to your diet. Keep moving and give your body what it needs. If you found this helpful, share it with a loved one and hit subscribe for more senior health tips. Your best years can still be ahead of you. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Remember, green out cares.